My people, I greet you. My people, I greet you. Today we'll be talking about the four archangels, the elements, the element they are associated with, and what they are known as too in different places. First, we have Archangel Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and Uriel. Archangel Michael, we have the four elements: fire, earth, air, water. Archangel Michael is associated with fire, god of war, god of fire. Archangel Raphael is associated with the earth, the land. Archangel Gabriel is associated with the wind, the air, the messenger. Archangel Uriel is associated with the water. In Igbo tradition, Archangel Michael, Udo, or Amadioha, associated with fire. In Igbo tradition again, Archangel Raphael is associated with air, with the land, or the earth. That is Ngene. Archangel Gabriel is associated with the wind. It's also known as the messenger. It is known in Igbo tradition as Aro. Archangel Uriel is associated with water. In Igbo tradition, it's known as Ogugu. That is the four archangels. And in Igbo tradition, African spirituality, in different cultures, in different races, they have names for that. But the major thing is fire, earth, air, water. Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and Uriel. Okay, it's me, Brother Peter, other than Sanko FM, as I'm reporting from Los Angeles, California, USA, bringing you this short teaching about the four archangels and the element they are associated with. One love.